Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So there's a new update available for the Samsung Galaxy S22 and S23 Ultra that you guys might be missing out. So to check for the update, you just have to simply go into your settings and you have to scroll down and search for this software update option. After going into the software update, you will have to tap on this download and install. From here, you will get to see a new update of January 1st, 2025. This will be a security patch update of January 1st, 2025, and talking about what's new, so this is a security update from Samsung to improve the device stability and improvements such as bug fixes. First of all, you will have to download the update, then you have to install the update. On my S24 Ultra, I got a 432 MBs of update. So on your S23 and S22 Ultra, the update side will be quite similar. But make sure to install this update when your device is completely free, as you will be unable to use your device during the installation process. And once the installation is done, whenever you will click on download and install, you will get to see that your device will be up to date on the latest version. I got this update on my S24 Ultra a few days back, and now this update is rolling out on the other devices as well. Also, there's another update available that you guys might be missing out. For that, you will have to go into your about phone, then you have to select this software information, then Google Play System Update. So from here you will get to see a new Google Play System update on your device. I have already installed that update. So if you guys have not yet, you can do that. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some of the new updates that are available for the Samsung Galaxy S22 and S23 Ultra. The device I used in this video was the S24 Ultra, and this was a quick video to inform you about this new update available. Also, let me know in the comment section that have you got this update on your device or not yet, and if you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.